Welcome to JH. In this guide, I'll demonstrate how to capture your Google Meet sessions. You might have noticed that when starting a meeting, the built-in recording option is often locked behind a premium subscription. If you want to record for free, follow these steps. Begin by opening the App Store and searching for Tap Record. Once you find the recorder, click Get and then Install. After the installation finishes, open the application and close the App Store. Once the app launches, simply choose the Record Screen option. Next, define your recording area by dragging the borders or clicking the full screen option to select the entire window. At the bottom, you'll find various controls to adjust the dimensions, resolution, and frame rate. You can also toggle your webcam, system audio, and microphone. To enable these, turn on the audio and mic toggles, which will prompt you to open System Preferences. Grant permission to Tap Record, then restart the app to apply the changes for your camera and other inputs. Close the settings and hit Record Screen again. Confirm your selection and press the Record button. After a 3-second countdown, your session will begin capturing. You can use the Pause button to take a break and the Resume button to continue. When your meeting concludes, click the Stop icon to finish. A new window will appear where you can preview, trim, or delete your file. You also have options to transfer it to an iPhone, share it, or locate it within your local folders. That is how you easily record any meeting. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next guide.